Emirates is gearing up to receive its first Airbus A350, though the timeline has shifted due to delivery delays. Initially scheduled for September 2024, the Dubai-based airline now expects the inaugural A350 to arrive in October 2024. Despite the setbacks, Emirates remains committed to its plans, expecting up to 5 A350s by the end of the year, and a total of 10 by March 2025. These delays have necessitated keeping older aircraft in service longer than planned, reflecting the global challenges in aviation manufacturing. Emirates' long-standing interest in the A350 demonstrates its focus on fleet modernization and efficiency. The journey to this milestone began in October 2019, when Emirates placed an order for 50 A350-900s during the Dubai Air Show. The order was later increased to 65 aircraft, totaling $22 billion at list prices. As the last of the Middle East's big three carriers to adopt the A350, Emirates follows Qatar Airways and Etihad, which already operate the aircraft. Emirates has decided to start with medium-haul routes, such as Dubai to Ahmedabad and Colombo, to facilitate crew training and operational familiarization. With premium features like Airbus HBC Plus connectivity and a premium economy cabin, the A350 represents a step forward in passenger experience for the airline. The A350-900 joins Emirates' fleet alongside the Boeing 787-10, another new addition. While both are similar in capacity, the A350 boasts a significantly longer range, advertised at 8,300 nautical miles, compared to the 787-10's 6,330 nautical miles. This extended range allows Emirates to deploy the A350 on ultra-long-haul routes, while reserving the 787-10 for shorter, high-demand destinations. The A350 is expected to gradually replace older aircraft, such as the Boeing 777-200LR, offering enhanced fuel efficiency and reduced operating costs. These strategic deployments underscore Emirates' focus on maintaining a competitive edge in global aviation. The introduction of the A350 is part of Emirates' broader efforts to enhance passenger offerings and modernize its fleet. The airline is undertaking an extensive retrofit program for nearly 200 of its existing A380s and 777s, including adding premium economy seating. The A350s will debut with 312 seats, including 259 in economy, 21 in premium economy, and 32 in business class. This layout highlights Emirates' push to offer more options for budget-conscious travelers seeking additional comfort. The move aligns with market trends and positions Emirates to cater to a broader range of passenger preferences. As the first Emirates A350-900 undergoes final testing and preparation, the airline continues to build excitement for its introduction. Registered as A6EXA, the aircraft promises to set new standards for Emirates in operational efficiency and passenger experience. With its enhanced range and advanced features, the A350 will be instrumental in connecting Emirates' global network, particularly to destinations that demand flexibility in range and capacity. As the fleet expands, Emirates is poised to strengthen its position as a leader in international aviation, embracing the next generation of aircraft to deliver exceptional service to its passengers. So, what do you think of Emirates choosing to operate the Airbus A350? Are you excited to see the type enter service with the airline? Share your thoughts by leaving a comment.